Hey guys, this is your boy Ben Tech. Yeah, so I last discussed on how to make your phone not to lag or hang. So I'm going to start by you download this Swapper configuration app. Yes, this you download it from Play Store. When you download it on Play Store, you open it. Then you click on active swap on both. So you check the RAM that you want on that is available on your phone, how many is available. So I ain't gotten much space on my phone, so that is the reason why I'm going to click a very low storage to add to my RAM. 500. If it works, we'll come back so that we can 1000. I'm not sure 1000 is going to work. Whoa, it works. So 1000 worked. So that is 1 gig. 1000 is equals to 1 gig. So it's 1 gig that it is added. And also you need to create a file, a swap file that the swap app is going to be collecting from. So I made a swap memory. I named it swap memory. All you need to do is to add and name it, then the thing will be collecting from your internal storage. So that is just how simple it is. So you press save and it's done. So then we reboot it. Yes, so it's after reboot that we're going to see what. Hey guys, I just rebooted my phone and see how fast it is. It doesn't hang like before. It would have hung because I'm recording the screen and at the same time navigating through my phone, but it does not hang at all. So you can make your Android, you can turn your cheap Android into a very fast iPhone like iPhone X Max or thereby. So that is what I can do. Thank you, goodbye.